Hello everybody and welcome back. So in the previous episode, we tore out some seats. We tore out some sweet cardboard infested seats. And so what we were left with is some significant lip on the end of that. So what we're gonna do in this episode is we're gonna grind that down so it's all nice and smooth in the back and in the front. So we're gonna try and blend that together so the seat never existed. So no water gets trapped in there, and so it's all nice and smooth for when we paint up. It's gonna be covered anyways, but last thing you would want is water to come down to this new compartment that we're putting in, and then it would drip down and it would be caught in some low spot or on some lip. And so to do that, we got our grinder over here, and we've got some, I mean, you might as well just be kicking it with your shoe. I mean, it's some pretty intense grit sandpaper, I suppose, if you even want to call it that. But yeah, so that's what we're doing in this episode. So stay tuned for the fun and for the result. Well, I'm drenched in sweat, but we got the first one. We got the first one going. So front is done, and we're moving on to the back. So one thing I noticed was there's a lot of excess material still on this, and before I hit it with the heavy-duty sandpaper there, I think I'm just going to try and zip it off and see if I can get a closer cut on it than I did when I cut it the first time. So yeah, right tool for the right job. Absolutely. I just want to show you the tripod rig I got for you guys. It's pretty high quality here on this channel. I didn't know if you knew that, but I forgot my tripod in the other studio, so enjoy. Covered, we are sweaty, and we are finished. So we got it all ground out. We got it all smooth for the most part, just a rough sanding for right now, and then we'll probably go back in, and depending on, you know, all of this is going to be hidden anyway, so how detailed oriented we want to get with it, I don't know. So yeah, got that all ground out and sanded smooth, and probably gonna have to go back in and knock down that, but I didn't know how structural that is to the transom, since the transom is unbearably thin, but that's okay. We're putting in a bulkhead anyways to support that, and this similar one up here. But yeah, other than that, step whatever is finished, and yeah, looking forward to doing what's next. So next step is probably getting the bulkhead cut out and fiberglassed, and so it can start curing over time, and then probably talk some more about the transom and how we want to address that and the custom things we want to do with that. But yeah, exciting stuff. Kind of speechless at this point, but yeah, excited to see where it's going, and stay tuned. Always, you know, like and subscribe if you haven't. You know, if you like this video, and you can click the bell, as most people say, if you want to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'm going to try and post every Sunday, but obviously that's not always going to be possible. But yeah, stay tuned for the journey. Glad to have you guys along, and looking forward to more of it. All right, see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.